And welcome to another video, and today this is the Xtrfy MZ1 Wireless weight reduction. This is the non-destructive one, so it means you can put it all back together if you want to. You're just taking parts out, you're not cutting it up like we'll be doing in the next weight reduction video. In this one we get down to about 45 grams. There's many different combinations you can do here, so it's worth watching this video so you understand each one and what weight you can save in each area. I'll put links to things like the batteries in the description, as well as the other videos that I've done on the MZ1, things like the teardown, which you'll need for this video to understand how to take it apart. So let's get on with it. So now we can try and do some weight reduction. So we'll do an easy one first, or the non-destructive weight mod. I'm merely here to show you the potential of the mouse you hold in your hand. Okay, so, well, we're not putting the Xtrfy logo back because we don't care. All those labels are not going back, and these buttons aren't going back. So you got the DPI diffuser and button and the switch. None of this is going back. I'm going to call it the stock look, but we're going to make it look slightly different. We're taking out the battery compartment as well. Don't want that. We're going to change the battery to a 150 milliamp. 150 milliamp 3-pin. We have to check it with multimeter to make sure, but it's identical JSD connection for me, so I'm in luck. You can chop the wires and adjust it as you want. So stock one is like 10 grams or something. So you can instantly drop a pure amount of weight here by putting that in it. So what's that, 7 grams straight off it? Obviously you're going to reduce your battery life, but hey ho. We could put the lighter rear on it, which we're going to do for these mods, but count an extra ½ gram for the larger rear if you wanted to. And that's probably it, I think. Without chopping it, you can't take much out, so let's put it back together. Let me just check this battery. Right. Just looking for the same result without changing the pins over. It's fairly easy to do though, if it's not a problem. So that's that way around, which I think means the pin layout is the same. So yep. Nice direct swap. Not have to change the loadout of the, or change the pin layout, because now we have to change the pos and neg around, but not in this one. Nice. Now we've got to add a little bit of tape on, because we'll probably just tape it literally on top of the sensor like that. The old 3M baby. Here we go. Okay, 1 screw needed, good. We're certainly not going to use all these screws, that's for sure. It's 1 screw, so it looks like. Don't need to put that cable back in yet, we'll do it later, no big rush for that. I'm also not going to use any screws in the base. You could adjust the pre and post travel you put these two in. We'll have to see how it performs, but that's something you can tweak if you want. There we go. It's got to be 50. 49, nice. That's pretty easy. Let's see what weight we get without any side buttons. Actually, let's take the DPI out first, and then we'll do the side buttons. Right, so this is with no DPI. talking 49, aren't we? Take the rear off and no DPI, we're looking at 45. So what I'm going to show you here is just different combinations so you can decide what you personally want to use, but how you want to mod it, what you're willing to sacrifice. Like for instance, I know I can't sacrifice the side buttons. I can't take it without side buttons. I could live without a DPI because I don't use it. Side buttons, hell no. Alright, so here it is with no DPI and no side buttons and no side PCB. Yeah, now we're down to 42. I mean, 45 grams isn't bad, to be fair.